Hello, everybody. Hello, Hello, everybody. My name's Sean. This is Backseat Girl Productions, and this was an impulse buy. That's right, an impulse buy. I was strolling through the aisles of Costco today, and I just so happened upon this little thing right here. So, what is it? This is a full HD webcam by AVerMedia Live Streamer Webcam. It says that it's full 1080p, 360 swivel design, microphone, and a privacy shutter. A privacy shutter. So, stay tuned. We're gonna open it up and see what it's like. Alright, so the intro is over and here we are. I hope that you've all subscribed to the channel because we are going to start doing a lot more unboxings. Just like this one, maybe not the same stuff, but unboxings nevertheless here on the channel. So stay tuned in the future. But today, we're talking about this little thing right here. What is it? It is a full HD webcam by AVerMedia Live Streamer Webcam. Full 1080p resolution, it says. 360-degree swivel design with a dual microphone and a privacy shutter. See, this product is shown for illustration purposes only, may not be an exact representation of what's inside. Alright, let's look at the specs, man. It says it connects via a USB 2.0. It's a full HD webcam, 1.27-inch CMOS sensor, or 1/27th of an inch CMOS sensor, 2 megapixels, 1080p 30 frames per second is the max resolution, adjustable focus, it says no, it's a fixed focus, 2 microphones, cable length 1.5 meters, and it requires Windows 7, 8.1, 10 or above, or it is Mac compatible with OS 10.11 or above. Many different languages of things and such. Maybe focus? Doesn't want to. So we got same stuff on the back, so I think it is about time that we get to the uppy closey toppy downy view over here, shall we? Alright, so here we are. We have our live streamer webcam up close view. There you can see the box. It's a nice box. Again, I said I found it at the Costco today. We were roaming the aisles of the Costco and just so happened to find a full display. I think I bought the first one out of it, actually. It's $69.99 at the Costco, my store anyway. So we're gonna see what it's like, man. I got my knife, so we're going to dig in, see what we can do. There we go. I've heard good things about AVerMedia stuff before, and I'm very curious as to what this is all about. Box is nice, like I said. So far, so good. Alright, so nice inside there. Don't need this anymore. Let's see, we got a quick start guide here. Let's see what this says. Here's what you're gonna find. I think I just found it. Okay, so you plug it in and comes with some software. I don't want to use that software though. I think I am just going to try to use it natively with OBS and see what happens. That's right, OBS Studio is what I use to live stream and record this right here. It's free, it works, it's good, in my opinion. So how do I get this thing out of here is the next question. It looks like the sides open up. Do the waters part? What's going on here? So just grab it. Okay. Well, the box within a box. What the heck is this all about? Is this just for show? Just for giggle? Uh-oh. It's like a Chinese finger trap. I'm serious here. I'm legit stuck. Ow, that hurt. Eesh. Ow, that like legit hurt. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do not stick your fingers in these holes. You will get stuck. Ugh, jeez. Alright, so this is made of foam. Foam? Foam. How in the world? Another hole I'm supposed to stick my finger in here, I guess. I know. I am so confused. Does it push through? What the heck kind of design is this? AVerMedia, y'all did not want these to get damaged in shipping, and I appreciate that. Whoop, there goes the slide. Okay. You know what? Let's just keep this here for right now. Let's take a look and see what we have. First things first, going to undo the twist tie. Get this out of the way. Alright, so what do we have here? Alright, AVerMedia, C9 or quarter 20 on the bottom there. Sorry about the audio there. So it has a metal grate design right here. This is really just, it moves really freely. Alright, so there's the lens right there. It does have a lens cover on it, a little piece of plastic. So let's get in there and remove that. Whoever applied this at the factory, I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera. Let me move it up a little bit. So it's not going to focus, but right there, I can't get my fingernail in there to get that little tab. That's kind of tough to get this thing off. Come on. I don't want to break it. It wasn't even covering the lens. It was just covering the outside area there. Alright, so let's put this on there. Alright, well, this does come out like that, so you can hook it on a monitor. It doesn't have the little flip up thing like the Logitech models do. I do like the built-in privacy share. I mean, this almost looks like it was 3D printed as an afterthought, because that does not look very polished. I don't know. It might have been molded, but that's I don't know. Overall, it feels solid enough. I like it. Yeah, like I said, let's plug it in and see what it does. Let's plug it in side by side with this one. Go back to the other camera. I'm not even gonna stop OBS. I'm just gonna see if it happens, see if it works. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the swivel design. We have to see if it swivels, and it does. It swivels. That was smart. Let's try it this way. Swivel. All right, cool. Let's try it. Alrighty, so I plugged in the other camera, and it made a ding ding noise. So let's see what happens. Let's add a source here. Alright, so this is what it pops up automatically as. So yeah, here's what it looks like just right out of the gate when I added it as a source into OBS. I know it's kind of weird, but yeah, it's this right up here. So let me do a little bit of configuring here, see what I can do. Alright, so we're gonna set it at 1920. Hey, hello. Alright, one thing right off the bat, it needs a tilt function. Guess I can just do it like that. Okay. So let's do. Okay, that's not bad. So this is at 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS. Alright, and what video formats are available? We have MPEG. It will do MPEG. I'm going to drop this down to 720, and highest FPS is still 30. It's still 30. Alright, unfortunately it's still 30, but we can go to YUY2 video format or MPEG format. Let's try YUY2. Oh, that washes me out, and the lag is something terrible. Alright, so let's go to MPEG. Alright, so this is MPEG right here, and you can definitely see the difference. I'm just going to move this window over here. like that. So you can see me down here in the corner and me over there in the corner, and there is a definitive difference between the two of these. It's not bad. If you need a webcam and you have to have one now, then it might do for you. But it's not exactly the best webcam solution in the world, in my opinion. What I'm normally running is the Logitech StreamCam. I've got C920s all over the place. That's what this one is right here. This one right here, it's a C920 or C922. No, it's a C920. And then C922's over there and up there, and yeah. So let's just make this real big right here, and we'll use this camera to talk about our final thoughts and conclusions on this video, I guess, and on this camera. So right out of the box, this is what it looks like, and it's really kind of grainy, overexposed. You can see some crazy stuff going on the microphone right there. All in all, if you need a webcam, buy it. If you can wait for a Logitech, I would suggest waiting for a Logitech model to become available, but this will certainly do the job in the meantime. I didn't test the audio quality on that. I am going to hang on to it though for a while, and I'm going to continue to play with it, see if I can't make it look a little bit better, and while I do that, I will be testing out the audio features. So if you would like to see upcoming unboxing videos and things of the like, or watch me play games live on the internet 5 nights a week in most cases, not in October though, not in October, but yeah, I'm live right here on YouTube at 8:30 Central Standard Time, Wednesday through Sunday, and you can pick up my merch that I'm not even wearing by clicking on the iCard above. It'll send you directly to my merchandise store. So thank you all very much for joining me, and what do I do with that box? What you're looking at is the AVerMedia Live Streamer Webcam from Costco. $70, and this is what it'll get you. So I'm going to close the shutter, and I'll see you later. I gotta give a big thank you to all the members of the channel. You all truly help make these videos possible. So thank you, Deadpool, Raising Wild Cubs Vlogs, Sun City Scratchers, The V3, Coke Collector, Tom Andrews, Tan's World, JJ General 1 Arcade, Bamboo Soldier, Stro Time, Rhino Scratches, Fantastic Wit 84, Misfits and Dreamers, Wickawoo, Jesse K, New Vending, WI, Beats by Gas, Beth B Scratchology, Mrs. Amanda, Nola Fam Arcade, Ryvok 489, Lil G Streams, and Juna Eric, Jeremy, Z Gamer 2.0, Super Steph, Mr. and Mrs. Cammy Blue on the moon, and their hot air balloon. Thank you all so much, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time on a live stream, on a video, whatever we're doing right here on BGP. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.